Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to do a half double crochet increase. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops to complete your first half double crochet. Now, in the same stitch, make another half double crochet. This completes one half double crochet increase. Let's do this again. I'll demonstrate the increase in the next stitch. Great! Now I'll show you one more time to make sure you've got it. Continue this pattern to the end of the first row. To start the second row, chain 2 and turn your work. Now, let's do a few increases in this row. I'll demonstrate the process again. Keep practicing this pattern until you reach the end of the second row. Congratulations! You've mastered the half double crochet increase technique.